Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoked fish light soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of smoked fish, a variety of fresh vegetables like tomatoes and onions, and your favorite spices. Proper preparation is key, so wash and chop everything carefully. Having all your tools ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the flavor base for our soup. Start by sautéing your chopped onions and garlic in a pot with a little oil until they become fragrant. Next, add your diced tomatoes and a bit of pepper for that essential kick. Stir everything together and let it cook down until the vegetables are soft and the flavors have melded beautifully. This step is crucial for a delicious soup. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is super important, especially when cooking up a storm. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to introduce the star of the show, the smoked fish. Carefully place the fish into the pot, ensuring it's nestled among the vegetables. Then, add about 4 cups of water or a good quality fish broth. Bring the entire pot to a gentle boil, and once it's bubbling, reduce the heat to a low simmer. This allows the flavors to deepen. Let the soup simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the smoked fish to infuse its wonderful flavor throughout the broth and ensures all the ingredients are perfectly cooked. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and any additional spices you like. Once it's ready, ladle your delicious smoked fish light soup into bowls and serve it hot with rice or fufu. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.